Within a week, BRS working president KTR is back in the national capital, again loaded with the questions for Revant Reddy government. I have with me Mr. KTR himself. Sir, uh, police crackdown happens in Kodangal. People were protesting against land acquisition. And now a delegation comes to the national capital, tribal women. They share their ordeal that how, police entered their houses and sexually molested, how their family members and the other kins have been arrested. I want to understand from you that what really went on that day, on that night in Kodangal, because Congress is saying they're putting blame on you, saying that it is you who instigated violence, and in fact they have got records, phone records, stating that one of the main accused in this case spoke with you multiple times.
Well, Rahul, let me put this on record. Instigating violence, instigating any form of, unlawful activity has never been something that we have subscribed to in the last 24 years. In fact, the whole agitation for Telangana at times did become violent, but we have restrained, we have exercised utmost restraint, and we have ensured that it did not spill over and it did not cause any kind of unfortunate, it did not result in any kind of unfortunate consequences. So, firstly, I rubbish those allegations of the government. I will tell you very clearly what happened. 9 महीने पहले जब ये गवर्नमेंट बनी थी नई 11 महीने पहले, and then within 2 months they wanted to start a project called as Pharma Village. जबकि 14,000 एकड़ ज़मीन हमने 10 साल में बहुत कोशिश करके एक जगह हमने इकट्ठे करके उनके लिए रखे थे फार्मा सिटी के लिए, जो कि दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा क्लस्टर बनता फार्मा का. उसको छोड़ के इन्होंने फार्मा विलेज बनाने का एक नया तरीका अपनाया. जो ज़मीन हमने एक्वायर की थी फार्मा सिटी के लिए उसको छोड़ दिया और उसको रियल एस्टेट प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे, जिसमें काफ़ी सारे एलिगेशंस और है, उसके बारे में कभी और चर्चा करते हैं. तो जब ये बात फार्मा विलेज के आई तो बस जनता ने सवाल पूछा गवर्नमेंट से कि 10 साल जब BRS की गवर्नमेंट थी, आपने यही कहा कि फार्मा मीन्स पोल्यूशन, फार्मा मीन्स आपके पूरे ज़िंदगी तबाह हो जाएंगे. अब जबकि आप खुद 10 साल कहते आए कि फार्मा के बारे में मतलब इतना नेगेटिव आपने कहा, तो फार्मा विलेज क्यों ला रहे हैं, वो भी एट आवर डोर स्टेप इन कोडंगल, विच इज़ चीफ मिनिस्टर्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी. द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डिड नॉट हैव आंसर्स, एंड मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली द क्वेश्चंस दैट वर बीइंग आस्क्ड वर वेरी पॉइंटेड. Why would you need 3,000 acres? Are you doing this for your son-in-law, his company, his pharma company? None of these were answered. There were nobody to talk to also. The chief minister's brother, elder brother, who happens to be pretty much nobody, constitutionally speaking, just the fact that he's the chief minister's brother, he wields, unsurmountable power, impossible power, and clout that he commands in that area. 200 police unke piche lage.
How are you so precisely alleging that this is being done at the behest of Revant Reddy for his son-in-law? Do we have got some documents?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. In fact, this has not been happening in the last 1 month or 1 week. Villagers have been protesting for the last 9 months, and now the tensions have been simmering. And eventually, when their pleas were falling on deaf ears for the last 9 months, chief minister was not available, ministers were not available, collector did refuses to listen. Eventually, when a public hearing happened last week, the villagers protested and it turned violent. When it turned violent, now the government took this as an opportunity to jail more than 30 farmers. And they broke down, all the women were narrating their, stories of exploitation and molestation. They did atrocious kind of activities, which I cannot go into the details of. But most important thing I think we all need to understand is the same Congress party whose chief, erstwhile chief and now leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, who talks about why Land Acquisition Act was brought in, who talks about how fair compensation is a must, who talks about how his party works for Dalits, tribals, etc., refuses to engage with them. That's why they've come all the way to Delhi to meet all the commissions, National Commission for Women, National Commission for Tribals, National Human Rights Commission, etc. Now we are hoping that at least the national commissions will summon Telangana government, ask for details. क्यों कर रहे हो? किस लिए कर रहे हो?
You also said that, you fail to understand that whether Rahul Gandhi is one man or two and whether he has dual personality. What prompted you to make the statement?
Well, when his heart beats for Dalits in Manipur or Christians or, tribals in Manipur, why is his heart not beating for tribals in Telangana? When he says Adani is fraud and when his chief minister befriends him and collects a donation of 100 crore, why is he not talking about it? What are these double standards? Is there a good Adani, bad Adani? When he does business with Congress, he's good Adani. But when he does business with BJP, he's bad Adani. So these kind of, double standards, this doglapan that Rahul Gandhi engages in, make him look, outrageous sometimes. Because, you cannot be continuously using this rhetoric of deceit. Because 1 year ago Rahul Gandhi's party said 6 गारंटी 100 दिन में पूरे करेंगे और कल राहुल गांधी वहाँ बैठ के गप मार रहे थे महाराष्ट्र में विमेन के साथ कि आपको हर महीने हम 3,000 देंगे, 36,000 के साथ क्या करोगे। मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ राहुल जी से, मुझे एक महिला से मिलाइए तेलंगाना में जिनको आपने वादा किया 100 दिन के अंदर महालक्ष्मी स्कीम हम अमल करेंगे, 2,500 रुपया देंगे, एक महिला दिखाइए मुझे जिनको मिला। आज तो 350 दिन हो गए। तो मैं इसलिए पूछना चाहता हूँ, ये दोगलापन जो है, ये जो चीटिंग करने वाली आपकी तरीका है, और कितने दिन करोगे। धारावी के प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बोलते हैं आप, 1 लाख करोड़ वाली प्रोजेक्ट है, बहुत महंगी ज़मीन है। तो मूसी में आपके चीफ मिनिस्टर 1,50,000 करोड़ की प्रोजेक्ट में लगे हैं। तो ये स्कैम नहीं है क्या? अगर वो स्कैम है तो ये नहीं स्कैम है। तो ये जो डबल स्टैंडर्ड है राहुल जी के, इनके बारे में ज़रूर क्वेश्चन करेंगे और उनके ऊपर सवाल उठाएंगे और उनको जवाब देना पड़ेगा।
The brother of Chief Minister, Mr. Tirupati Reddy, has said that the land acquisition exercise will only continue and this project will not be rolled back. How are you going to take up this fight now, given the fact that government has cleared their position on this issue?
Well,
Also, he's not part of per se government.
that was going to be my question to you. Who is Tirupati Reddy to say anything about on behalf of the government at all? Is he the de facto chief minister? Is he the shadow chief minister? Who the hell is he? वो आके कहते हैं कि हम किसी भी हाल में नहीं रुकेंगे, हम करके रहेंगे और जिसने भी ये किया उसको जेल करेंगे। होता कौन है आदमी है? चीफ मिनिस्टर रेवंत रेड्डी चला रहे हैं कि तिरुपति रेड्डी चला रहे हैं सरकार? हमें नहीं समझ आता। राहुल जी को कभी का एक बार स्टॉक लेना चाहिए, जहाँ उनके 3 राज्यों में उनकी गवर्नमेंट है, क्या हो रहा है उनको कभी का एक बार देखना पड़ेगा। वो तो बिजी हैं, दिल्ली आता है तेलंगाना से कुछ पैसा तो वो आराम से बैठ के हैं, और उनको तेलंगाना को उन्होंने ATM बना लिया तो आराम से बैठ गए बस।
एक आखिरी सवाल, एक वीडियो वायरल हो रहा है रेवंत रेड्डी का, जिसमें वो कह रहे हैं, महाराष्ट्र का ये वीडियो, जिसमें वो कह रहे हैं कि लोगों को अडानी पैसे लेते हैं, मैं उनसे पैसे लेता हूँ। आप इस स्टेटमेंट को कैसे देखते हैं? क्योंकि बीजेपी का ये कहना है कि दिस ओनली शोज द sheer hypocrisy of Congress party.
No, this is not just hypocrisy. This is also Congress Party's nature. If you think about it for a minute, corrupt practices of Congress Party. Today, Adani's empire is expanding in Telangana in a big way. He is capturing all the cement plants. He is entering ports, dry ports. He's also setting up huge logistics parks. He's setting up data centers. He's setting up many more businesses. On the one hand, Rahul ji, every day, hammer and tongs, he goes against Ambani and Adani. But in his own party, his own chief minister sits with Adani ji for 4 hours. And we are also hearing stories that Mr. Adani was part of meetings with Sharad Pawar ji and Ajit Pawar ji, and was engaging in political discussions with BJP. So we need to know if Chief Minister Revanth Reddy is also engaging in political discussions with Mr. Adani for 4 hours. Is something going to happen in Telangana as well? Is something we all need to look into, dig into.
Thank you. So that was Mr. KTR questioning Revanth Reddy government over Khodangal land acquisition. With Sanjeev, this is Rahul Gautam reporting for India Today.